Here we have this 2018 68 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE Touring. Now this vehicle does come with over £6,000 worth of optional extras. Now you do get the panoramic sunroof, you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, adaptive M chassis, and the list really does go on. We have your 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in black with blue M Sport brake calipers. We have your LED headlights with your black kidney grills. Full M Sport styling kit on this vehicle, such as the black front splitter, side skid extensions, a rear boot spoiler, and also a rear diffuser. You have your carbon fibre accents all over this vehicle, such as on the front splitter. We also have it on the wing mirrors. We have your black roof bars with your black window trim with privacy glass on the rear. Your rear boot spoiler just there, making the rear of this car stand out. Dual exit exhaust flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now, being the BMW Touring, you do get your split fold tailgate, so the button just under the wiper arm and then goes up, making it a bit easier to load groceries or anything into the back. We also have the power assisted rear tailgate from the touch of a button, and that reveals a nice spacious sized boot, as you can see just there, with your storage nets on the left and on the right hand side, with 12-volt connectivity there. You also get your storage hooks in the back there as well. Luggage load liner, which comes out as well, and when the boot is down and you go to open it, so I'll show you what the luggage load liner does. Lift that up, and you can also pull that up as well, and you can have the luggage load liner go up just like so, or you can have it completely in. Get power assisted back down again. Stepping back from the vehicle, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle, especially with the blacked out stealth look on this vehicle. You also have your protector just there as well, save scuffing up that lovely front rear bumper. Go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. We have full Dakota leather throughout this vehicle, ISOFIX points, pull down armrest, climate in the rear with 12-volt connectivity, and your carbon fibre inlays, which have it there as well. Integrated Harman Kardon speaker, gloss black trim. Going to the front, quick look at the wing mirrors. You have the full carbon fibre and also the M style wing mirrors. Jumping inside, there is a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated and electric, and the driver is memory. On the doors you get your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside, you have your carbon fibre again, your auto lights. Multifunction steering wheel with again more carbon fibre. Paddle shift if you take the car into manual mode. You have your auto high beam assist there as well. Cruise control and speed limiter. Digital dash, which is a nice optional extra, and as you can see, the vehicle has done just over 35,800 miles. When you change through the different drive modes, the instrument cluster actually changes, as you can see just there. Now, the screen in the centre where you can see your satellite navigation, you have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, Apple CarPlay, you have your DAB radio with FM, AM music collection, and all those other settings just there as well. You have your Bluetooth phone, your maps and navigation, obviously your different drive modes, so you have Eco, Pro, Comfort, Sports and Sports Plus. Pop the car into reverse, you have your rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors just there. Dual zone climate control there as well, with 2 heated front seats which work exactly how you would expect them to. You also have your carbon fibre there as well, dual zone climate control for ice cold aircon. Storage down here pushes open, 2 nice size coupled to 12-volt connectivity. Traction control on and off, different drive modes, select parking sensors. More carbon fibre, this is what you use to control everything happens on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. Looking up, you have your panoramic sunroof, touch your button just there, and it will then close. And I'll show you the process of it closing so you know it works exactly how you'd expect it to. Push up, it then goes on tilt, push up again, it closes, and then the blind will also then close. As you can see, works exactly how you would expect it to. There's a quick look at the passenger's front seat. Now both driver and passenger have the extended 5-sport, nice feature to have. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. HBI Clear comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.